Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to find the determinant value of a given matrix using calculator. So let me consider this matrix. I am using FX991MS calculator. So at first you have to press the mode thrice. So here you will be having equation mode, matrix mode and VCT mode. So you have to select 2 to make your calculator in matrix mode. So press 2. Now your calculator is in matrix mode. We have to enter the dimensions. I mean these 9 numbers should be entered as the dimensions in your calculator. So for that you have to press shift number 4, because in number 4 we have math option. So press shift 4. So shift 4. Now if you look at the display of the calculator, you will be having dimension, edit and math. So press right arrow once. You will be having determinant and transpose option. At first we are going to give the dimension. So go back. So at first we are going to give in the dimensions. So press 1. So now here you will be having A, B and C. So at the time we can feed in 3 different matrix. So I am going to feed only one matrix. So press 1. So it will be asking for M. M represents the number of rows in your matrix. So for the considered matrix 3 rows, press 3 and then press equal to sign. Now it will ask for N. N represents the number of columns. So 3 columns, again press 3 and then press equal to sign. Now it will be asking for math A11. So A11 indicates the first number 50. So this is A11, A12, A13. Similarly the next row indicates its corresponding A21, 22, 23 and the third row indicates 31, 32, 33. So you need to fill in those values over there in the calculator. Your A11 is going to be 50. So press 50 and then press equal to sign. So fill in all the 9 data over there. A12 is minus 10. 10, 200, 46, minus 70, minus 26, 30 and 84. Once after giving all your numbers, now you have to press AC once. So press AC once. Now we have fed in all the dimensions. Now we are going to find out the determinant of that matrix. So for that, again go to the matrix option like pressing shift and 4. So shift 4. Now press your right arrow once. Now we are going to find the determinant. So press 1. Right? Determinant of what? Determinant of matrix A, right? So in order to get math after your determinant, again press shift 4. Shift 4. Now in that math option is number 3, right? So press 3 and then press 1 because we have fit the values in matrix A, right? So press 1. So now you got determinant of mat A in your display. Now press equal to sign. So you will be getting 519960, which is the determinant value of the matrix we have considered. In this way we can find out the determinants, as well as similarly we can find out the transpose of the matrix given. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you everyone.